Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech 100 guys. So guys, in today's video we want to look at how to make toroidal transformer. As you can see, we have the ferrite core, the ring ferrite core. So we are going to remove it to make another rewinding to make toroidal transformer guys. So guys, follow up and see how we build this. Thank you. So guys, we have removed the transformer. As you can see, we have removed it, the toroidal transformer. As you can see, toroidal transformer. So we are going to remove all this winding, then we'll rewind it for inverter purpose. As you can see guys, so we have to remove all this glue. So let's do that now guys. So guys, as you can see, we have removed the toroidal coil. As you can see, I've removed it. So we are going to remove all this coil. So we are going to make a new rewinding. So we are removing this coil now guys. So guys, as you can see, we have already removed the copper from the toroidal coil, as you can see. So we are going to wind it with another coil guys, so to make our inverter. So let's go guys and see how we can build this. So guys, as you can see, this is a wire, and we are going to make 3 tons guys. So let's do that now guys. Guys, this is our first turn. 1 2 3 4. So we are going to loop it, then we take another wire from here. This will be our positive, so we are going to wrap it again. Guys, this is our battery, 12-volt battery. As you can see, 12-volt battery, and this is the positive, and we are going to connect it to the switch. and here is the negative. So let's connect it, guys. So guys, we want to test it with this 10 watt bulb. As you can see, AKT. This is 220 volts. 220 volt AC to 240 volt 50 hours to 60 hours, guys. So this is 10 watts. So we want to test it. Our inverter with it. As you can see, guys, so guys, we want to test it now. As you can see, it is very bright. 10 watt bulb. This is our battery. The switching board. This is the MOSFET, the transformer, as you can see. So guys, our project is working. Please subscribe to my channel. So guys, we want to test it with this power adapter. This is a 12 volt adapter, AC input and DC output of 12 volts, 12 volt output to 20 volt input. So we are going to connect it and test it with this 12 volt fan. As you can see, 12 volt DC, 0.1 amps. So let's test it, guys. So guys, we've connected it, as you can see. So this is the AC input. So let's try it, guys. So guys, we want to test the output voltage of this our inverter. As you can see, this is our battery, 12-volt battery, the driver and the switch, and this is our multimeter to 750 range. As you can see, high voltage, so I put it to 750 range AC. So let's test it. So as you can see guys, we have around 450 something. As you can see, the voltage is dropping.